Hey everyone, this is JP with Oracle Lighting. Today we're going to be checking out the new Oracle Color Shift Fiber Optic LED Interior Kits. These kits come in 2, 4, and 6-piece kits and are an excellent way to accent the interior panels of any vehicle. Let's take a look at what's in the box. First, we have the fiber optic filament cable. The 2-piece kit comes with 10 foot of cable, the 4-piece kit comes with 20 foot of cable, and the 6-piece kit comes with 30 foot of cable. To make great use of each light head, if needed, additional fiber optic cable can be purchased separately by the foot. Next, we have the Bluetooth controller with bonus RF keypad and color shift light heads. The light heads are very bright at 1.5 watts each, which will effectively end light each length of cable. For the most consistent look, we recommend that any length of fiber optic cable 3 foot or longer is end lit on both ends, so measure and plan accordingly. It's also worth noting that all of these Bluetooth controllers can be controlled simultaneously together in the app. The controller is powered by this cigar socket adapter with built-in on-off button, which makes the kit plug and play. You can also remove this socket adapter and hardwire for a more hidden look. We recommend professional installation for that, so be sure to check out our store locator at oraclelights.com to find an authorized installer near you. Also included in the box is this bonus panel tool for getting into those really tight spaces. This tool is made of plastic, so you don't have to worry about scratching any of your interior panels. Lastly, you'll find an info card in the box which shows all of the contents of the box as well as QR codes to download the LED lamp app in the iOS and Google Play app stores. Whether it be the dashboard, door panels, center console, or any other interior panels on the vehicle, simply measure and cut the fiber optic cable to the desired length, push the cable's fin into the space of your choice using the included panel tool to further separate the space if needed, snip off a small section of the fin to insert the light head and tighten the locking screw, plug in the cigar socket adapter, and enjoy your fresh new interior accent lighting. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit oraclelights.com for more info on these kits and a ton of other products that we offer.